Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to do arithmetics with integer and float numbers in Python. We will go through some basic things, and if you want to learn more we will explain them in the next videos. So let's talk about integers. Firstly, we will define two variables, variable a and variable b. Their sum will be variable x. When we print x we will get 7 as the result. Great. This way we can also subtract and multiply integers. When it comes to division, you can simply divide them and get float numbers at the output. In case you want integer numbers as a result, just put a double /. Why not try to do something more advanced? Imagine you need a remainder of a division. Here you can do it in one step with a percent sign. Our remainder will be 1. Now we want our a to become an exponent. No problem. 2 signs for multiplication. It doesn't have to be that simple. Let's check if the order of operations is correct. 2 plus 2. 4. Multiplied by 5. 20. Plus 2. 22. Well done. Your exponent can also be a negative number or a fraction. In case you don't need the result as a new variable, you can simply print it. Another shortcut is changing the value of a variable directly by adding an operator and equal sign. Operations with float numbers are pretty much the same. Something new is rounding a number using the round function. It will really round it, not just cut decimal places. If you want to learn more about numbers in Python, check our next videos. Please like and subscribe. See you.